click on like, share and subscribe button to support our channel.
Good morning one and all. Welcome to Abhay testing tutorial.
The waterfall model is one of the SDLC models. Waterfall model is a sequential model that divides software development into different phases. Each phase is designed for performing specific activity during the SDLC phase. In this waterfall model, there are mainly 6 phases. They are requirement, design, development, testing, deployment, maintenance. Let us look into the waterfall model phases. Requirement analysis is the first phase. During this phase, detailed requirements of the software system to be developed are gathered from the client. System design is the second phase. In this phase, plan the programming language, for example Java, PHP, .NET, database like Oracle, MySQL, etc. and other high-level technical details of the project. Implementation is the third phase in waterfall model. In this phase, after the design stage, it is a build stage that is nothing but coding the software. System testing is the fourth phase in waterfall model. In this phase, you test the software to verify that it is built as per the specifications given by the client. System deployment is the fifth phase in waterfall model. In this phase, once the functional and non-functional testing is done, the product is deployed in the customer environment or released into the market. System maintenance is the sixth phase in waterfall model. In this phase, once your system is ready to use, you may later require change the code as per customer request. Please click on like, share and subscribe button to support our channel. Thank you very much for watching our channel. Please visit us again.